Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel with another analysis of the market. And as you can see, we started with the market daily analysis, and the first market we're going to talk about is NASDAQ. As I told you last week, in the weekly analysis, I told you that we had a breakout of this zone, which was very important for us. And today we had the rest of the trend, which was bearish as we expected. And as we said, exactly happened. Now you can see a bullish candle, which you might consider it as a breakout to this zone. And the rest of the trend would be bearish up to these two zones that I have drawn. And nothing new happened for this market. Well, if you want to have a kind of, change in the trend, I told you should be, very precise and accurate about this trend. That would be the breakout of these two zones, and we might see this zone. If it happens, that is very improbable. All right, the next market we're going to talk about is called Dow Jones. In Dow Jones, we had exactly the same situation. These are the last, moments of New York market, and you see that people who wanted to just, compensate, or they wanted to, sell everything, or do everything. So this is the point for them. Okay, so we have these two lines. I told you that we had a bearish trend, these two lines consolidating, and the breakout last week. And as I told you in the weekly plan, this is the pullback to this line, which was very important. For the long term, we might see 32,000. It is the next round number. Everyone is waiting for the Federal Reserve to see that what they're going to say according to what they said last week, previous weeks, and about the interest rates. We should wait to see. Okay, something interesting, surprising, and perfect about the gold market. If you can remember, I told you you should draw these two lines for yourself. Okay, and you could see today you could go for buy like me. Okay, I was waiting for this line, and suddenly I was able to make at least 50 pips here, and it was so enjoyable for me anyway. But you could wait for this line and go for buy and take profit. At the same time, it is just a pullback to this zone, and I am going to expect these two areas or zones for gold. Now the price is $18.60, but we should wait for $18.20, and the other one maybe $17.90. But we are going to have some reactions to 1800, because it's due to be a kind of round number, as I told you before in my analysis. Okay, and the next market that many people are interested in is the Bitcoin USDT. Okay, I have drawn and these channels, everything for you, and you could see today that we had some reaction to this line. No, I told you that we are still in a downtrend and nothing has changed. So I expect after the Federal Reserve report, we might see the zone 37 again, and maybe 33 and 30,000. And what I expect for Bitcoin is bearish. What I see is the breakout from the bottom line, pull back to this zone and go for the price is 33 maybe 32 to 33 that I'm going to let you know about. And maybe the next movement would be toward 30,000. Yeah, the other, support we have for Bitcoin would be these zone between 34,000 to 33,000. And the resistance, and I have drawn, and the channel is still there. And you can see if we want to have any uptrend, first would be the midline of the channel, which would be 38,500. Then this line is very important, 40, and after that maybe the upper part. But if we want to have any change in the trend for Bitcoin, we might have breakout of this channel, then this line, and we might see that improbable. In my opinion, this is my analysis, and it has only training and educational purpose, and it is not financial advice to anyone in the world. And that's it. I hope you have a great time, and tomorrow would be very profitable day for your trading. Have a great time, and bye.